First, I want to know how many of you had a snack on that recess? Some of you? Okay, what did you have for a snack? Cheez-It. Oh, my favorite.
I think they're called
Kumquats, the little. Right. So we're going to talk about that and take the journey of our food. So everyone, think of that food in your mind. I'll give you a few seconds. Think about what food. All right, and on the count of three, all of you guys can yell really loud what that food is, but then we're going to be quiet again. All right? Does everyone have a food in mind?
Yes.
The food that you want to travel through the body.
Bacon.
Pizza. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, so let's start with the first step of the digestive system. And that is
Mouth.
That
thing is a teeth.
So, our mouth is the very first step. Some people might say it's your stomach. Starts as soon as that food hits your mouth. Your teeth start grinding down the food, and it mixes with saliva or your spit to break down the food even further and create a wet, mushy substance so it's easier to swallow. Because the third step, your stomach. That's right. So it travels into your funny little jelly bean shaped stomach. And your stomach stores the food. Do you have a question?
Oh, no, I know the next part.
Oh, okay. Your stomach stores your food and it mixes with gastric juice. Can you guys all say gastric juice?
Gastric juice. You know what acid is inside your stomach? How is it not spread everywhere all around your body?
It's contained just in your stomach, and there's a little flap in your esophagus that keeps the acid, it opens and closes. So it keeps the acid from going up your throat. Have you ever heard of heartburn?
Yes.
So heartburn or acid reflux happens when that acid does leak into the esophagus and causes that burning sensation. So sometimes it does. So if this is his stomach right here, can you all see his stomach?
Yes.
Yes. So this acid travels up the esophagus, which goes, where's his heart? It passes underneath his heart. So it might feel like it's right there, near your heart, but it's not actually inside of your heart. Does that make sense?
The tube right there that, yeah.
Paper right here. Can you all see that?
Yep.
Alright. So you are going to divide your paper into 3 sections this way. You can start. And then about a third of the way over, you're going to draw a line down. Okay, so your next step, you can continue working on that, but you're going to write the steps of the digestive system. And then you can use the board as help to write down all these facts that you remember. Alright? And as we're doing that, I'm going to walk around, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm going to make sure you're on task. Good. Alright. We're going to start a quiz. It's a fun quiz. And you guys, this time, are allowed to look at your sheet. So question 1 says, how long is an adult's small intestine? Is it 22 feet, 30 inches, 30 miles, or 17 feet? Let's put our hands down and we'll do the game with who raises it first. So Vanessa, hands down. And when I raise my hand, you need to raise your hand. But hands have to be all the way down.
And
No cheating.
How many sections?
He's trying to cheat.
If I see you cheating, I'm not going to pick on you. When they reach the stomach, mashed up food particles mixed with guava juice, gastric juice, mucus, or bile.
Gastric juices?
Gastric bile is made. All in